In furtherance of its commitment to securing the future of the bird child, LEARNTOR Foundation, a non-governmental organization, has trained over about 200 boys drawn from various schools in Lagos in data analytics and other digital skills under the Tech Up Boy Cohort 2 boot camp at the Public Service Staff Development Center, Magodo. Again, Joel Bubola reports that the boys drawn from 15 schools are already making impact, courtesy of their practical exposure.
With nearly 6,000 boys trained in data analytics and other digital skills, the LEARNTOR Foundation, within a few years of its establishment, has been impacting the life of young boys with digital skills that will discourage them from criminal activities. The convener and brain behind Tech Up Boys initiative, Mercy George Igrafo, is motivated by the passion to see boys leverage the opportunities in digital skills for self-reliance. Hence, she is charging them to make judicious use of the skill.
We taught them emotional intelligence, soft skills, social media, digital footprint, and making sure their footprint is right so that it does not come back to bite them like a boomerang. Whether they are in Nigeria, they are abroad, they are local, they can get jobs that are international. A testimonial from the first cohort that we did, one of the students said, reached out to me with so much excitement. Wow, somebody reached out to me. I want to hire you as a data analyst. It was an immediate, within 3 months.
After weeks of online training, the practical tutorial at the Public Service Staff Development Center provided a platform for the students to have hands-on practical experiences in Excel and other areas in data analytics. With laptop computers to demonstrate their skills, the boys proved that they are equal to the task. At the end of the training, the top 3 most outstanding students are to benefit from free payment of NECO school certificate examination, while the overall best will get free payment for NECO and Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination (UTME).
LEARNTOR Foundation has been a great foundation because recently I did not know that I can actually make my name to be known on the web page. But now, with the help of LEARNTOR Foundation, now I can see my name on the search engine. I didn't know that I can just do that within a few days. But with the help of LEARNTOR Foundation, I've been able to optimize my name on the search engine.
The skills taught to us, I can show people that, okay, this is what I've done and this is what I can do. And I can also earn a living through it. And I can also teach others also.
So I'm happy to say that with the help of the LEARNTOR Foundation and the Excel they have been able to teach us, I can go out there, help my mom, my parents, my friends, and everyone out there with their little business. I will manage it.
The LEARNTOR Foundation is gaining traction for the level of impact the Tech Up Boys has achieved, assuring that its sustainability is guaranteed.
See a lot of journey. We're going to group them, move them into a WhatsApp group, some into Telegram, where we'll continue the mentoring and the teaching. And we're very certain that before the end of this year, we'll have been able to train 5,000 boys who are comfortably working with digital and tech skills.
Development partners, tutors, representative of the Permanent Secretary Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education, and others all received awards. All the stakeholders, including the teachers, unanimously applauded the training, describing it as a landmark feat that should be sustained. In Lagos, Joel Upola, NT News.